Today we're diving into something that affects every single one of us. Clean water. You know, we all love a day at the lake. Swimming, fishing, just enjoying nature. But have you ever wondered how scientists keep track of whether that water is actually safe? I mean, lakes are huge. You can't just test a bucket of water and call it a day, right? So here's the big question. What if we could monitor an entire lake from space, every single day, using artificial intelligence? Researchers at the University of Guelph in Canada just cracked a major challenge in water quality monitoring. They've combined high-resolution satellite imagery with AI to track phosphorus pollution across entire lakes. And when I say high resolution, I mean we're talking about detail sharp enough to spot a small boat. Now, why does phosphorus matter? Think of it like this. Phosphorus is basically fertilizer for algae. A little bit? Fine. Too much? You get massive algae blooms that turn lakes into toxic green soup. It kills fish, contaminates drinking water, and ruins that perfect beach day you were planning. The problem is, traditional monitoring is like trying to understand a whole movie by watching 3 random scenes. Scientists collect samples at a few spots, but they miss what's happening everywhere else, especially near shorelines and river mouths where pollution actually enters the lake. So here's where it gets cool. The team used satellites from a constellation called PlanetScope. These aren't your grandpa's weather satellites. These little guys photograph the Earth every single day with incredible detail. Then they fed all that imagery into AI models and taught them to read water quality like an expert scientist would. But there was a twist. The AI needed water clarity measurements to work best, and you can't measure that from space. You need someone physically there, lowering a disk into the water. So what did they do? They built a teacher-student system. The teacher AI learned everything using the full dataset, including those water clarity measurements. Then it taught a student AI to make predictions using only satellite images and weather data, stuff that's available anywhere, anytime. The result? The student model kept nearly 90% of the teacher's accuracy while running on data you can access from your laptop. Pretty genius, right? They tested this on Lake Simcoe in Ontario, and the results were eye-opening. The system created detailed pollution maps showing that most of the lake, we're talking over 95%, had excellent water quality. But it also revealed hidden hotspots near river mouths and narrow channels, places that traditional monitoring often misses. Imagine what this means for lake managers. Instead of blindly sampling everywhere, they can now pinpoint exactly where problems are developing and take action before a full-blown algae bloom happens. It's like having a health monitor for the entire lake, updating every day. Looking ahead, this technology could be scaled up to monitor thousands of lakes simultaneously. We could have early warning systems for toxic blooms, track how climate change is affecting water quality, and protect drinking water sources for millions of people, all from space. The coolest part? This isn't some far-off future technology. It's working right now. So here's my question for you. If we can monitor lakes from space with AI, what other environmental challenges could we solve using this same approach? Oceans? Rivers? Maybe even air quality? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to Engisphere so you don't miss the next episode of the R&D Lab. Until next time, stay curious, keep questioning, and remember, the future is being built in labs just like these, right now.